Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a ruffled ponytail holder. I have a simple ponytail elastic, some ruffled eyelet lace, a needle and thread, and scissors. I have thread that matches the eyelet lace so that it will get lost in there and not show up. The stitches will just get lost into the color and won't contrast with it. So now I've begun to sew this on. I'm going to continue just by putting my needle through the elastic and the lace. This lace is already gathered. If it weren't, you could just gather it as you go to give the ruffled effect. You could put the ruffle around the entire thing. I find it's better just to put it on a portion of it. It's easier to put the ponytail holder in the hair that way, but it's all a matter of preference. You just go ahead and keep putting your stitches through the ponytail holder and through the eyelet. And once you're done, you will have a nice ruffled ponytail holder. When you put it in the hair, it will gather up and ruffle and look very pretty in the ponytail. My name is Linda Hutchinson. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.